Hi friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we got the golden ticket and are headed for pure imagination at Hershey Chocolate World.
So, where are we going today?
We are going to Hershey Chocolate World in Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Chocolate World, woohoo!
Yeah,
Excited.
Nothing better than a road trip with the kids hyped up on a bunch of sugar, huh?
I love that place.
Yeah.
So fantastic.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Hershey Chocolate World is located in the sweetest place on earth, Hershey, Pennsylvania. At this chocolate-inspired adventure, there's a free chocolate tour ride that takes guests through the journey of a cocoa bean to a Hershey product. There's also a 4D chocolate mystery movie, a create-your-own candy bar experience, free samples, and one of the largest chocolate stores in the world. When you turn 16, do you want a car like this?
Maybe.
Yeah? I want a car like this. Man, weinermobile, eat your heart out. Largest Hershey chocolate store, and Mommy got a whatchamacallit. It was between this and an Almond Joy, but yeah, that's what I went with. All right, what did you guys get? Hold on.
I got the giant Reese's.
That is ridiculous and completely not necessary. That is way too much chocolate. How much is that? How much does that weigh?
1 pound.
1 pound of Reese's?
Yeah.
And those are about the size of your head. That's what you were looking for, wasn't it?
Maybe not the size of my head, but a giant bowl.
They look pretty darn big.
Okay, let's open it.
All right. And what did you get?
I got a ball.
A bar. What kind? Is that a Kit Kat?
Mhm.
Oh, that looks yummy. Are you going to eat that all by yourself, or are you going to give some to Mommy?
I didn't eat it by myself.
Okay, I don't blame you.
Here, Mom.
And you had an entire, not just any chocolate store, the largest chocolate store in the world, and this is what you went with.
I know. It's a great. It was a good find. So I got white chocolate miniature cups. These are the greatest, and you know why they're the greatest? Because you don't like them, so they're all mine.
Because that's so wrong. That's not even chocolate.
It's fantastic, and you're a chocolate elitist. These are wonderful.
No.
I'm excited.
So not jealous.
Exactly.
All right. Marco might have been the winner.
I'm going to open it.
All right.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.